In this tutorial, we will be learning about context managers in Python, focusing on the open function as our example. If you've never programmed before, don't worry. We'll break it down step by step. Here, we're using the open function to read a file named example.txt. The R parameter means we're opening the file in read mode. After reading the file, we close it with the close function. But there is a more efficient way to do this using context managers. In this example, we're using the with keyword, which is a context manager in Python. The with statement is used for exception handling, and it automatically closes the file once the nested block of code is executed, even if an error occurred. This is why we'd use a context manager. It makes our code safer and cleaner. The output for both the examples would be the contents of the example.txt file. In our case, it's hello world. Note that we didn't have to explicitly use the close function in the second example. That's the beauty of context managers. Let's now see what happens when an error occurs while reading the file. In this code, we're intentionally causing an error by dividing by 0. But because we're using a context manager, the file will still be closed properly even if an error occurs. As you can see, despite the error, the file was still read correctly and then closed, preventing resource leaks. That's the power of context managers in Python. I hope this tutorial helped you understand context managers and the with keyword in Python. Remember, practice is key in programming, so don't forget to write your own code and experiment with what you've learned. Stay curious and keep coding.